Under GST, we have to file one more return called GSTR1 return. Okay. This return we are filing quarterly. Remember, after three months, we have to file this return. Quarterly, we have to file this return. The first return we have already explained you about GSTR3B. This return we are filing out every month after making payment of GST. Remember, this we are filing every month. The procedure of filing this return is, first we have to prepare the report in Excel, that is sales and purchase report from your Excel, from your profit and loss account, which you have to match it with what, GSTR3B from Tally. After matching that, we have to prepare that report of purchase and sales, calculate output and input, and then accordingly we have to pay the GST to the government. After making the payment, every month we are paying the GST to the government, and after making the payment of the GST, then we are filing what, GSTR3B, that I have already explained you in the video. Okay. Next, just this 3 GSTR1. Remember this GSTR1, we have to file quarterly. This return, this is another return. Now I am explaining you. This return GSTR1 means sales. I have explained you. This return we have to file quarterly after three months. See the quarter. First quarter is what? April to June. Where the return should be in July. Second quarter, July to September. Return should be in October. Third quarter is October to December, January return, and fourth quarter is January to March. We are filing the return in what? April. So this is GSTR1 is a sales return. We have to file quarterly. Today let us see how to prepare the report of GSTR1 if we are using what? Latest Tally. I am explaining about first in latest Tally. Okay. If you want to prepare that report, go to what? Tally. Just go to display, statutory report, GST report, GSTR1. Display statutory report, GST report, GSTR1. Remember, you have to clear the mismatch and everything. Okay. Put the period here from 1st of April to 30th of June. Since the 30th of June date will not accept because we are using education version, you can put a space bar here, make it a blank right now. Actually, you have to put 30th of June here for the first quarter. If you are filing the return of second quarter, it should be 1st of July to 30th of September. Okay, so right now I will not put any date here. So since the date is not working, I will just put a blank there. Okay, so you will get here. Suppose you are getting a view summary option here. You go to the view return here. This is very important in case of summary return. View return. If it is a summary view, like this, you go to the return view. Okay, this period you concentrate on period. It should be of that particular quarter, first quarter, 1st of April to 30th of June. Okay. After getting these details, okay, you go to B2B now. What do you do? This report you export. Click on this export, not this export. Click on this GST export, GSTR1. Here you can say Excel spreadsheet, enter, and here don't change the name of the file here. This file name you don't change. See, here you select what? Excel spreadsheet. Don't change the name of the file. Enter, 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 enter. Suppose at the time of exporting you are getting the error. At the time of exporting you are getting the error. So you have to do some setting in Excel. So what you do now, see, it is already exported. Setting I'll explain later on. See, it is already exported here. B2B, I'll click on B2B here. See, all this B2B will come here. Then B2C will come here. See, all this B2C, business to customer sale, all your data will be prepared automatically in Excel file. Okay. Now let us go to settings. Suppose at the time of exporting this, remember, go to GSTR export 1 in Excel. Don't change the name of the file. So if you are getting error, it is not exported, then what you do? Go to Tally. From here you are starting the Tally. Okay. From here you are starting the Tally. Here you right click on start button. Right click on the Tally here and say property. See, the Tally location is what? Tally start location. You just copy this, highlight this, press Ctrl C to copy this. Okay, highlight this. If it is not exporting, then you have to do this. What you have to do? Go to the Tally location. Don't run the Tally. Right click on this one. Go to properties here. Then highlight this, start in location. Copy this location. Copy. Then you go to the Excel. Go to the Excel. Here, go to file menu. Then there is what? Option here. Go to option. In the option, there is a last option, Trust Center. Click on Trust Center, and there, after clicking on Trust Center, click on what? Trust Center setting. Here you click on what? Trust Center location. Okay, and here you click on add new location, and here you paste that. Control V, paste it, and remove these codes here, starting codes and ending codes. You remove that, and here click on what? Include subfolder also, and click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, that is already added. That's why it is giving error. Say cancel this. It's already added here. Okay, then click on OK, and then click on OK, and then again try to export it. Export Excel. Don't change the name of the file. Enter, 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 enter. Okay, it will be exported in Excel. So this is your report, remember. So this is your GST R1 report. Okay, this you have to save.